Welcome to Budgeting and Planning. My name is Lucy and I know firsthand that managing money isn't always as straightforward as it seems. Our emotions usually get first billing before the practical element of managing money kicks in. The nuances are multiple and varied and change with your seasons of life, such as getting married, becoming separated from your spouse, buying your first home, having a baby, living solo, or carving independence within a relationship. How do you feel about spending, saving, investing? How you feel about money, your relationship with money is absolutely huge and critical when it comes to actually managing it in the first place. What about your current and your future life dreams? Do you want a bigger house? Do you want to travel? Have you got expensive hobbies you'd like to get into? Or maybe you're even dreaming of early retirement. You may be experiencing difficulty. Our cost of living is no joke, and it's still a big adjustment for many of us since it began 4 or so years ago. Maybe you've experienced redundancy. I've been there and it is definitely no picnic. You may be in or have recently left an abusive relationship where finances have kept you hostage. You might be working towards getting on the property ladder and grinding your teeth living with your family whilst you save up. Love you, Mum. Money underpins everything we do, and it often dictates what our next choice is, doesn't it? And getting on the front foot can feel really impossible as life constantly hurls things left and right. You might be feeling really fed up, really tired, burnt out, and having absolutely no idea what your next move is going to be. You might even have been to see a financial advisor recently, or you know you're going to one very soon, or a mortgage advisor, and that dreaded question of, let's discuss your budget, will come up. And either you haven't got one, don't know where to start, or at least the one you have got just doesn't work, it just doesn't suit you. Budgeting and planning are life skills just like any other. If you don't know how to do one, you don't know how, and that's all there is to it. I'm here to guide you and teach you what I've learned over many years of my own personal trial and error, as well as what I've learned along the way, training and coaching, and I'm talking hundreds of individuals with getting a strong foundation. And it's an assortment of things, of life admin, organisation, your actual knowledge of how money works, and most importantly, how you feel about your current and your future lifestyle. So whether you've got a static monthly salary, which undeniably is easier to manage, or if you're self-employed and you end up guesstimating most months, these systems are still going to work for you. It's your personal nuance or way of thinking that determines which toolkit is right for you. My mentoring service will guide you on your path wherever you're coming from, so that I can be your guardrails, if you will. Getting you set up properly so that you can keep going even when your life shifts into yet another new season, and it will be really, really helpful for you and really efficient use of your time. So as you're just getting started, to take a look around the website, you'll find there's plenty of free content with blogs, the website itself. I've also got a really nice, fairly new Substack publication. Please come over there and have a look at some slightly longer form real life story situations. I've got a YouTube channel, and that's going to be growing a lot this year in 2025. And I've got a sweet little Facebook group that you're very welcome to join. And I've got tons of LinkedIn content for you as well. So please feel free to dive into all that good stuff. There's also a really lovely free workbook that you will probably have seen on the front page. Please do make sure you grab that, because that'll be really useful. And if you like the style of it, then you're definitely in the right place for us to work together at some point in the future. So whatever you do, don't worry, I've got you back. I know how awkward this can be, and I also know that getting this absolute basics right is the foundation to sorting out the rest of your money journey, however that looks. You can't start to really seriously look at investing, for example, and growing your wealth until you get this bit right. So jump on in and let's discover what you're made of together.